Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today?
We are doing well.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Madarasa Baitul and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. I am going to talk about cleanliness. Sayyidina Aisha radiallahu anha states that the beloved Prophet of Allah came to me and said, "Oh Aisha, wash both of these shawls." So I said, "O Messenger of Allah, I just washed them yesterday." The Prophet of Allah replied, "Are you not aware that cloth makes tasbih of Allah Azza wa Jal, and when they become dirty, the tasbih stops?" These aspects are the blessed life of the Prophet of Allah. These aspects are the Prophet of Allah replied, "Are you not aware that cloth makes tasbih of Allah Azza wa Jal, and when they become dirty, the tasbih stops?" These aspects are the blessed life of the Prophet of Allah, are inviting us to give special attention to cleanliness and hygiene in many places. The meaning of purity is vast in Islam. The need of purity is a human life being indwelt and continuous until death. Therefore, being connected with purity is a protection of life. Observing purity is health, and being heedless of purity is illness. It is for this reason that purity is a word containing vast meaning and the Prophet of Allah, which is why he declared cleanliness to be half of Imans. The Prophet has said, "Cleanliness is half of Islam." In another hadith, he said, "Indeed, Islam is a clean and pure religion, so attain purity, for only one who clean will enter in paradise." In another hadith, the blessed hadith, Allah Azza wa Jal has blessed the foundation of each to Islam, Upon cleanliness, only those who stay clean will enter in paradise. In another hadith, the Prophet reported to have said, "Keep what you wear clean and look after your rights, and your outward appearance should be so that clean will enter in paradise. And your outward appearance should be so that when you go among us people, they honor you." Allama Abdul Rauf Manawi stated that this hadith indicates to the fact that one should avoid all such things that people show dislike and disdain toward the rulers, and scholars should specially avoid him. In another hadith, it is stated that it is necessary upon every Muslim to perform ghusl once every 7 days. He washes head and body states, "May Allah Rabbul Izzah give us tawfiq to be clean. Amin summa amin." I conclude my speech thanking you all listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.